In this video tutorial, we will show you how to easily and quickly import demo calculators or calculators you created and exported using the Cost Calculator Builder. Open the Cost Calculator section and follow My Calculators menu. In the Modal pop-up, click on the Import Calculators button. To import demo forms, choose the Run Default Import option. When the import is completed, the list of demo calculators will be available for you to use. If you have calculators made in the Cost Calculator, you can import your old work. Just upload a calculator export file from a local folder and import it. Several easy clicks and no need to start building new forms from the scratch. In case you have any questions, please feel free to check Cost Calculator knowledge base at support.stylemixthemes.com.